Withdrawing money from your Deezer account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the transaction successfully. Step 1. Log into your Deezer account. Access your Deezer account by entering your credentials on the Deezer website or app. Make sure you are using the account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Accounts section. Look for the Payment or Financial settings where you can manage your earnings and withdrawal options. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. In the Payment settings, find the option for withdrawing funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw Earnings or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will need to provide your bank account information to facilitate the transfer. Ensure that all details are accurate, including your account number and routing number, to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy and confirm the withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Be sure to check your bank account after a few days to confirm the transfer has been processed.